Valencia, Spain, May 8, 2025.
Hay que limpiar la alcantarilla.
Ya, flipar.
A massive storm surprised the residents of Villar del Arzobispo, inland in the province of Valencia, literally covering streets and rooftops with more than 10 centimeters of hail. A storm has swept through the interior of the province, leaving heavy rainfall in regions such as Requena Util, Hoya de Buno, and the coastal region. The storm cell struck heavily in the Serranos. There, a significant hailstorm was recorded, leaving a wintry landscape for just a few seconds. Streets and rooftops as white as snow but covered in hail. As confirmed by some residents surprised by the storm, the hail began to fall around 4:45 p.m. It was very fast, and in just a few minutes, the hail covered everything. Requena also experienced hail. There, the hail fell accompanied by rain and was less intense than in Villar del Arzobispo.
Kakva je elementarna nepogoda. Ljudi pokušaju.
A very similar situation was reported in the central regions. In several towns in Valladolid, Costera, and Canal de Navarres regions, rain has been falling since midday, accompanied by hail. Thus, municipalities such as Loleria, Pobla del Duc, Alvarisi, Guadasiguis, and Genovese were among the towns where hail was recorded.
Carros completos cubiertamente de granizo con algunas capas, el drenaje totalmente colapsado en algunos.
The first storms have been recorded in the northern Castellon, and the emergency department has declared a level 2 alert in inland southern Valencia. These are some of the videos left by the rains, which have even been accompanied by hail in some parts of the community. As of 7:30 p.m., 1,165 lightning strikes have been recorded in the Valencia community, of which 815 occurred within the province of Valencia, 299 in Castellon, and 51 in Alicante. In the capital, the situation was perceived as dangerous. Although in inland areas, the storm was already leaving striking results. Aemet has described the situation this Thursday as a cyclonic supercell-type storm. Heavy hail inland, very intense rainfall of 30 liters in 1 hour, and an afternoon of thunder and lightning. The orange warning has shaken the province of Valencia from inland to the coast.
No. ¿Dónde vas?
In El Villar del Arzobispo, the hill reached more than a foot high, while in Bétera, it completely flooded the central Alameda with water in just a few minutes. In the capital, the storm arrived around 6 p.m., despite the sky having been threatening since early afternoon. The intensities recorded by Aemet over an hour reached almost 50 liters in Leliana, while in Manises, more than 40 liters were recorded in just 60 minutes. The highest accumulated rainfall was in the Cham de Turia region, after a very intense hailstorm in El Villar del Arzobispo, where the accumulated hail exceeded 10 centimeters.
Jedino pozitivnu stvar koju mogu da kažem da nisam stigao od silnog posla zimske gume da promenim, tako ću verovatno uspjeti da dođem.
In casinos, the downpours continued for nearly an hour, and the water reached the sidewalk in some places. Mayor commented that the amount of water fell so much that it caused flooding in some lower areas. He certain it will be caused damage to the rural roads they were repairing after the damage caused by the flood. They will check whether the gravel they were laying has been washed away.
Las aceras, el agua prácticamente en las principales vialidades, es parte de los efectos que dejó la granizada que se registró.
Aemet maintains its forecast for rain heading into the weekend. There will be more showers, but temperatures won't fluctuate excessively. This Friday, partly cloudy skies are expected, although cloud cover will increase inland during the morning, with showers in the northern half of the regions in the afternoon. Locally, heavy showers accompanied by thunderstorms in the northern inland area of the Castellon are possible. The Serrania region is an agricultural area where a wide variety of crops can be found. The latter may be the most affected by these storms as they are currently in bloom.
Estás haciendo un monigote. Está poniendo manía.